Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mier Sun Valley YouTube channel. I am your host, Mier, and I am coming to you from beautiful Sun Valley, California, here in Southern California, part of the city of Los Angeles. So I talk about everything of interest to Sun Valleyites, and this may not be this is only for residents. I usually talk about things that are of interest to residents and visitors, but I'm talking about garage doors today. So if you have a house and a garage, at some point you're going to need a garage door company to help you with something. So I thought we'd check out what's around here in Sun Valley. So we've got, whoops, let's zoom in on this map. I wish I had better control of this. Come on. Ugh. Okay. So here we are. First class garage doors, AM, PM, door and gate. 24/7 garage door and gate services. That's in North Hollywood. This is open 24 hours. This is open till 10. Let's see. This has 98 reviews, 131, 2 reviews. First class garage doors. Let's see. Where's first class? Let's zoom out here. Right here. That is, looks like, well, let's take a look. Website. It's in North Hollywood. Yeah, good looking site that gives the feeling of trust. Of course, reviews too, that's always good. Professional, reliable service, and they're here. Free estimates. All types of garage doors. Our service area, so let's see if they've got Sun Valley in here. Sun Valley, yes. Why are these, why do they have a link here? Burbank. Oh, they have a Burbank page. Okay. I guess that's all for search engine optimization. It's been optimized where the links go to the places that have the most business. Anyway, first class garage doors have got, they're highly recommended. This is in Valley Village. Let's see if there's something AM, PM. This is Sun Valley. There's nothing, let's see, 24/7. Let's take a look at them, because this is closest to us in Sun Valley, and I don't see it. There's no website. Okay, forget that. I mean, you really got to have a website. So 2 reviews. Come on, get a website, people. AM, PM. Where is that? PM. Door Incorporated. Okay, I like the first website better, but this is okay. Free estimates, service areas, Sun Valley. So they have a Sun Valley page. Thank you. Let's see where they're located. Doesn't say. They should have their address in the footer here. Let's see. Okay, Pacoima. So that's, thank you. Okay, I stand corrected. Okay, so and it's not just garage doors, so it's gates too. So this is another one, and I believe they had good reviews. Garage door. Let's see. AM, PM. So 131 reviews, 4.3. So they've been in business for a while, enough to get good reviews. So I would go between first class and AM, PM, just based on their website and their ratings here. Check them out. They're the closest. Well, one is the closest, but they're the ones that show up here in Google Places. So, with a look at garage door companies, Jose Mier coming to you from Sun Valley. Good luck with your garage door adventures. See you next time.